On this video, I woke up and I just decided to go for a walk with my dog. I love going for walks. They always put me in a great mood, in a great state. I love going out to see nature. On this particular day, I went to go see nature around my neighborhood with my dog at a nearby park. It was great. Hey everyone, I'm back with another video, and on today's video is going to be an amazing recipe. We're going to be making Mexican style nopales, and I'm going to show you how to make a healthy dish that you can make on your meal prep every week. Let's get started. Okay, so for this recipe, it's going to be really simple. I just have cabbage, repollo, and then I also have cactus, nopales. My favorite, I love to have it every day. It's like a green to me. It's like having greens, but if you don't have nopales, you can do this with broccoli, or you can do this with green beans. Any type of grain will work. Okay. Garlic paste. We add that to the pan. Alright. And we want to work pretty quickly. The pan is hot anyway. So I'm going to add my vegetables. I'm going to add my cactus. As soon as there's some space, we can add our cabbage. It has wilted and has cooked down at least by 50%. Okay. So I'm gonna just let this cook, and then I'll meet you right back. That cactus continues to cook, and the cabbage. It's about halfway cooked already, but not completely. I'm gonna add some tofu. I love the meatiness of the tofu. You can add mushrooms if you don't like that, or you can just leave it without it. I absolutely love a hint of tofu. Some people add eggs, like traditionally people would use eggs. I don't like eggs, so I find tofu is a great replacement for eggs. Okay. So I added some vegetable seasoning, some salt, and now I'm going to add some black salt. Black salt is not salty, it's just like an additional flavor of sulfur. This is good for digestion, and it's good for that eggy flavor. Eggs are loaded with sulfur, so that's why eggs have like this sulfur flavor to it. So instead of getting eggs that are high in cholesterol and don't have too much nutrients that are beneficial for the body, you can just use black salt, which is so much better, and it has sulfur. Just keep in mind, sulfur is not an essential nutrient. We don't really need it for anything. But I'm just saying, that's where you get the flavor from. So I'm going to add some turmeric because we got to have that turmeric. That's going to help give it that yellow color. Alright. So we're going to stir it. And the salsa roja is a little bit spicy, but it's not that spicy. But I suggest not to use the whole recipe. So let's add that in. It's going to add so much flavor and deliciousness. In Latin culture, we have like we like to braise a lot of things in salsas. That's where the birria comes in and many other things. Well, there you have it, friends. Look at that. An amazing nopal recipe. This is really good. You just grab a tortilla, you grab a handful of some food, and you eat. So good. This is one of my favorite meals. I love it. This is a great meal just when you're looking for something really meaty and like protein rich, and then but you also want to be healthy. That was so delicious. But anyways, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me on another video.